How to edit public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. After that, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you will find public profile. Simply click on public profile in here. After that, at the top, you'll find a pencil-like icon. Click on the pencil-like icon at the top. Here, you will be able to edit your bio. You can add your location if you want, and you can turn on show follower count if you want to. You can click on the pencil icon at the top, and your camera roll will open up. You can add profile picture. You can confirm and it will add profile. Other options that is adding new stories and adding spotlights inside, and it will be added in here. And this is how to edit public profile on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.